Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you these pot noodles. Yes, now these are the two flavors and I purchased one same of second flavor. And what is the name? It's a pot noodles. This black one is Bombay Bad Boy. Yes, it's a Bombay Bad Boy. So they have tell what you have to do. As you can see, you just need a fork and hot water. That's it. So simply they have told no need of microwave, no need of gas stove, nothing. Over here they have mentioned some like fat, energy, sugar, salt, how much they have put in this box, and noodle in an incredible hot curry flavor sauce with vegetable and little sauce of hot fire chili sauce. So it will be little bit of hotness will be there because of chili, as they are saying, and in pic also you could see like noodles with red chili. So this is the first one. What is the second one? Second one is pot noodles chicken and mushroom flavor. So over here they have made little bit of mushrooms, and same that you have to follow is fork and hot water. I kept my water to boil in a kettle, and the noodles in a chicken and mushroom flavor sauce with vegetable and a little stitch of soy sauce. That's nice. Soy sauce is amazing. So let's not wait for much, and I'm gonna put it in this box, not box, in this jar. So let's open the second box first. It's very easy. As you can see, you just need to pull this stuff which has gone down and just open it like this. Wow. So what is there? I want to show you that they have this add soya sauce they have given in this, and I want to show you from above how it looks like, what's in this. As you can see, yeah, so many ingredients. I'm not just gonna add water in this, but I'm gonna show you in this by pouring. You know, some people say that the noodles which is there, it's not that much, it is very less. They just put it above the box. So that also I'm gonna see by cutting it, because it is said, I've seen some videos of people that noodles is not till down. As you can see, I'm opening it, but in this pack I could see that no guys, they're right. See, this much of noodles. So it's not necessary that everyone is giving noodles till down. Sometimes it is on top only. And this is the second one, that hot chili Bombay Bad Boy. Now same we have to do, just pick this up and peel it. So what they are giving it is do the flavor of flavor. It's add some hot sauce. So in first I got some soya sauce, in second some hot sauce. I'm gonna mix them all together. So as you can see from inside how it looks like, it is exactly like same. As you can see, the first one are also same, the second one is also same. So what's point of differentiating it? So this is how I'm trying to, open this because it won't come out without tearing this box. Yeah, see, this much of noodles. So much. Now I got some hot water in this kettle and I'm gonna pour it. That's it. And now some soy sauce and hot sauce. Time for some soy sauce. I'm just gonna cut it and pour, and some hot sauce. It's like tomato ketchup, red in color. What next? You just let it sit for a few minutes and then you're ready to eat. You can see from up that so many corns and green leaves you could see. So, and peas also. So it's healthier. It's a healthier version. You can carry them easily. You'll get hot water in most of the place like Plain and some restaurants. If you won't get the hot water and grab this box and you're good to go, your stomach will be filled. So go for these things. And now I'm gonna taste it, that how it is. So let's take a little bit and I like more spicy. It is not too spicy. It's very, you know, average spices there. And noodles require a little bit of more to stay in this hot water. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more such videos. Thank you friends. Bye bye.